Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been struggling with getting your year-end financials ready in QuickBooks, today I'm going to walk you through the easiest way to print them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate a complete, accurate report for your business. No stress, no confusion. Let's dive in. First, let's start by opening the Report Center in QuickBooks. From your dashboard, navigate to the Reports menu. This can be on the left-hand side or at the top, depending on your version. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar where you can quickly find the report you need. Most people start with either the profit and loss report or the balance sheet, so type that in and double-click to open it. Once your report is open, the next step is crucial, customizing the date range. Look for the report period or display dates dropdown. Here you want to select last year or set a custom range that covers the entire previous year. If your report offers a display columns by option, make sure it's set to show the full year so you get a complete picture of your finances. With the report correctly set up, it's time to print. Look for the print icon. Sometimes it's a small printer symbol or an arrow with a drop down. Click it, and you'll see options like print or save as PDF. If you're printing directly, review your printer settings to make sure everything looks right, then hit print. And if you prefer a digital copy, saving as a PDF is a great way to keep it organized for your records or to share with your accountant. Before we wrap up, a few quick tips. Make sure your fiscal year is correctly set in QuickBooks. That ensures your year-end reports are accurate. And don't forget, the Customize button is your best friend if you want to adjust columns, filter data, or make your reports more detailed. And that's it. You've just learned how to quickly and easily print your year-end financials in QuickBooks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting